Alright, let's look at multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers using the traditional method. Well, let's start by looking at the blue problem here. Okay, we're going to do 94 times 31. Another way that we're going to look at this problem, and this will all make sense, I'll piece this little puzzle together for us. Then we're going to actually break that 31 into 94 times 1 and then 94 times 30. And then I'm going to kind of put those pieces together, and then hopefully that'll build a little better understanding of where exactly these numbers are coming from. Alright, so let's start here by doing 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And then we do 1 times 9, which is 9. And then, let me come over here in this problem, and we do exactly that. So you can see how the colors match up. Alright, now, I'll come over here and show you this. So this 0, we're going to go ahead and bring this 0 down. Then we're basically going to approach this as 94 times 3. So let's do 3 times 4, which is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27. Add that 1 we carried over. We get 28. Now when we come over here and do traditional, what you're going to notice is we have to put our 0 in here. Then we do 3 times 4 is 12. 2, carry the 1. Then we do 3 times 9, 27, plus 1 more, 28. You add that up, you get 4, 1, carry the 1, 9, 2. Now the reason, what I did here was, I wanted to show you what 31 really means. This 3 here, okay, is not just a 3. It's actually a 30. So this explains why this 0 that I wrote here, and why this 0 is added in. Sometimes, or you may have just learned, just put the 0 there, just trust me. Well, the reason why we're saying trust me is that's not just a 3, it's a 30, so that answer isn't 282, it's actually 2,820. So hopefully by doing 2 more examples, this will make sense and we'll better understand exactly how to approach this. But the idea when we're doing these 2-digit by 2-digit, we're really going to try to approach it or turn it into like a 1-digit times 2-digit effect. Or like here, this looks like our extended facts where we put the 0 down and then we just do 3 times 94. Then you add them together and we get our answer. So let's take a look here at this next slide. I'm sorry. Now we have our problem here. It's 86 times 27. As you can see, I already set up our problem over here to the right. I'm going to work over here on the right, and then I'm going to merge it back together with our problem here on the left. Alright, so let's start with 86 times 7. We do 6 times 7 is 42. Here's our 2. Carry over our 4. 8 times 7 is 56. That's one of those tricky facts. So we get to 56, count up 4 more, and we get to 60. So over here, again, it's the same problem. We do 6 times 7, 42. There's my 2. Carry my 4 over, and I get my 602. Alright, now, this 20. We're going to bring our 0 down, extended fact. We had 1 0 in the question. We put that in the answer. Then we do 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1 up. We do 2 times 8 is 16. Add the 1, we get 17. So we can come over here and write that in. 0, 2, 7, 1. We tally that up. Total it together, add it up, however you want to say it. 2, 2, 3, carry the 1, we get a 2. And we get the answer of 2,322. So again, just to make sure we got that understanding, I want you to see that this 7 is a 7, and this 2 over here isn't just a 2. Alright, it's a 20, and that helps to explain why that 0 needs to be. Alright, let's look at this problem here. We have 74 times 49. I'm actually going to come over here to the side question. We're going to do 4 times 9 is 36. Here's my 6. Carry the 3 over. 9 times 7, 63. Add 3 more to it. We get 66. So we can come over and write our answer, 666. Then we do this problem here. We bring our 0 down, treat it like an extended fact. Whoops, let me switch colors here so you can see it. And then we do 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28, add 1 more is 29. So we come over and we put 0, 6, 29. We finish this problem off with a little bit of addition. We get 6, 12, carry the 1, 16, carry the 1, and we get 3. So our answer is 3,626. I hope this at least starts to explain these two different steps. If you need to work out the problem separate on the side, then do what you need to do, and then eventually you can hopefully just do the combined problem over here that we have on the left. But again, if you need to work through it piece by piece and then put those pieces together and add, that's all right for me. I hope this helps.